16th question. If A into 1 by B plus 1 by C, comma B into 1 by C plus 1 by A, comma C into 1 by A plus 1 by B are in AP, prove that A, B, C are in AP. Solution. Since A into 1 by B plus 1 by C, B into 1 by C plus 1 by A, C into 1 by A plus 1 by B are in AP. Therefore, A into C plus B divided by BC, B into A plus C divided by CA, C into B plus A divided by AB are in AP. Just we have taken LCM. This implies AC plus AB divided by BC, AB plus BC divided by CA, BC plus CA divided by AB are in AP. Just we have simplified. As you know, when you add some number to each term of an AP, then resulting sequence is also an AP. Therefore, for each term, let me add 1. Then also resulting numbers are in AP. This implies, after taking LCM, BC CA plus AB plus BC AB plus BC plus CA divided by CA, BC plus CA plus AB divided by AB are in AP. This implies, as you know, when you divide each term of an AP by a non-zero number, or when you multiply each term of an AP by a non-zero number, then the resulting sequence is also an AP. Therefore, let us write CA plus AB plus BC divided by BC into ABC divided by AB plus BC plus CA. We are multiplying by this number to each term. AB plus BC plus CA divided by CA into ABC divided by AB plus BC plus CA, comma BC plus CA plus AB divided by AB into ABC divided by AB plus BC plus CA are in AP. This implies we can cancel AB plus BC plus CA from both numerator and denominator. BC will get cancelled. So then you will get A, comma, B, C are in AP. Eighteenth question. If A and B are the roots of x square minus 3x plus p is equal to 0 and C, D are roots of x square minus 12x plus q is equal to 0, where A, B, C, D form a GP, prove that q plus p is to q minus p is equal to 17 is to 15. Solution. Let R be the common ratio of a GP. Since A, B, C and D are in GP, therefore B is equal to AR, C is equal to AR square and D is equal to A R cube. Since A and B are roots of equation x square minus 3x plus p is equal to 0, therefore sum of roots a plus b is equal to minus of minus 3 divided by 1, means minus b by a. This implies a plus AR, b is equal to AR is equal to 3, implies A into 1 plus R is equal to 3, say number 1. And product of roots AB is equal to A into AR is equal to C by A. What is C here? That is P by 1. This implies A square R is equal to P. Say number 2. Since C and D are roots of equation x square minus 12x plus q is equal to 0. Therefore, C plus D is equal to minus of minus 12 by 1. Here B is minus 12. This implies what is C A R square plus D A R cube is equal to 12. This implies when you take A R square common, then you will get 1 plus R in bracket is equal to 12. Say number 3. And product of roots CD is equal to Q by 1 or Q. This implies A R square into A R cube is equal to Q. This implies A square into R raised to the power 2 plus 3, 5 is equal to Q. Say number 4. Dividing 3 by 1, we get A R square into 1 plus R divided by A into 1 plus R is equal to 12 divided by 3. This implies R square is equal to 4. Implies R is equal to plus or minus 2. Dividing 4 by 2, we get A square R raised to the power 5 divided by A square R is equal to Q by P. This implies R raised to the power 4 is equal to Q by P, or Q by P is equal to, what is R square? 4 square we can write that is equal to 16 can be written as 16 by 1. This implies q plus p divided by q minus p is equal to 16 plus 1 divided by 16 minus 1 using componendo and dividendo. This implies q plus p is 2, q minus p is equal to 17 is to 15. Nineteenth question. The ratio of the arithmetic mean and geometric mean of two positive numbers a and b is m:n. Show that a is to b is equal to m plus square root of m square minus n square is to m minus square root of m square minus n square. Solution. Arithmetic mean of two numbers a and b is a plus b divided by 2 and geometric mean of two numbers a and b is equal to square root of ab. Since ratio of arithmetic mean of two numbers a and b to geometric mean is equal to m by n, that is m is to n. Therefore, a plus b divided by 2. Geometric mean we can write as square root of ab is equal to m by n. This implies a plus b plus 2 into root of ab divided by a plus b minus 2 into root of ab is equal to m plus n divided by m minus n using componendo and dividendo. This implies square root of a plus square root of b whole square divided by square root of a minus square root of b whole square is equal to m plus n divided by m minus n. Implies square root of a plus square root of b divided by square root of a minus square root of b is equal to square root of m plus n divided by square root of m minus n. Next step is, that is again using componendo and dividendo. Square root of a plus square root of b plus square root of a minus square root of b divided by square root of a plus square root of b minus square root of a plus square root of b is equal to square root of m plus n plus square root of m minus n divided by square root of m plus n minus square root of m minus n. So again using C and D implies square root of b and minus square root of b will get cancels in the numerator of LHS. 2 into root a divided by 2 into square root of b is equal to square root of m plus n plus square root of m minus n divided by square root of m plus n minus square root of m minus n. Squaring both sides will get a by b is equal to m plus n plus m minus n plus 2 times of square root of m plus n into m minus n divided by m plus n plus m minus n minus 2 into square root of m plus n into m minus n implies a by b is equal to 2 m plus 2 into square root of m square minus n square, because this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, whole divided by 2 m minus 2 times of square root of m square minus n square. When you take 2 common from both numerator and denominator, they will get cancels. Then you will get a by b is equal to m plus square root of m square minus n square divided by m minus square root of m square minus n square implies a is to b is equal to m plus square root of m square minus n square is to m minus square root of m square minus n square. Twentieth question. If A, B, C are in AP, B, C, D are in GP, and 1 by C, 1 by D, 1 by E are in AP, prove that A, C, E are in GP. Solution. Since A, B, C are in AP, therefore B is equal to A plus C divided by 2. Say number 1. Since B, C, D are in GP, therefore C square is equal to BD. Say number 2, or C is equal to square root of BD will get. Since 1 by C, 1 by D, 1 by E are in AP, therefore 2 times of 1 by D, that is 2 by D, is equal to 1 by C plus 1 by E is equal to E plus C divided by C. This implies by cross multiplication D is equal to 2 into C divided by E plus C or C plus C. Say number 3. Substituting the values of B and D into, we get C square is equal to A plus C divided by 2 into 2CE divided by C plus E. 2 we can cancel with 2. 1C we can cancel with this RHSC. By cross multiplication, we will get C square plus CE is equal to AE plus CE. CE we can cancel both sides. This implies C square is equal to A. Therefore, A, C, E are in GP.